Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you step by step how to withdraw your cryptocurrency from KuCoin directly to your bank account or bank card. Now before we start, there's something important to note. KuCoin isn't primarily a fiat exchange. That means withdrawing funds to your bank is a little more complicated than on other platforms like Binance or Coinbase. But don't worry, I will walk you through every step clearly so you can do this easily by the end of the video. Alright, let's get started. So first log into your KuCoin account and at the top click on assets, then overview. Here you will see all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold. For this video I will use Litecoin as an example. Let's say I have about $20 worth of Litecoin that I want to withdraw to my bank account. For withdrawing, you will need to convert your coin, in this case Litecoin, into USDT, a stable coin. So here's how you can do it. First, make sure your Litecoin is in your funding account, not your trading account. To move it, click transfer, select your trading to funding and hit confirm. Now go to trade and convert. At the top menu in the from section, choose Litecoin. In the to section, select USDT. Enter the amount and confirm the conversion. That's it, your Litecoin is now converted into USDT. So sometimes KuCoin automatically puts your new USDT into your trading account. If that happens, go back to assets, then trading account, find USDT, click transfer and move it from trading to funding again. So now we are going to sell that USDT for regular money, in this case GBP or USD. At the top, click buy crypto, then fast trade, then switch to the sell tab. Here choose USDT as the coin you are selling and enter the amount you want to withdraw. For example, if I sell 19 USDT, I will get around 16 GBP. Now choose the currency you want to receive, either GBP, USD or whichever applies to your country. Then click confirm sell. That's perfect. Your crypto has now been converted into fiat currency. Now go back to assets and click on overview. Now you will see your GBP balance listed here. Click withdraw, then switch from crypto withdraw to fiat withdraw. Select your currency, for example GBP, and choose bank transfer as the withdrawal method. It has the lowest fees and is the most reliable option. Now click add account, fill in your bank details and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Finally hit withdraw, and that's it. Your funds now be on their way from KuCoin to your bank account. As you can see, KuCoin makes the withdrawal process a bit more complicated, but once you know the steps, it's totally doable. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.